Alright guys, so right now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be swapping out the rain cowl on the Jetta because I have a crack on the far side right above the cabin air filter. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pop one and two of these the bolt caps, and then you're going to need a 13mm socket to get those bolts off. Once you get those off, you're gonna close the hood. Don't lock it, just close it, and then you're gonna lift up your wiper blades, and then you're gonna pull the arm off nice and gentle. Alright, so if anybody's wondering, when you go to take out your ECU, this is where you'll find it. Right behind your rain cowl. Right there, these two plugs. That's your ECU. Alright? So, if you're ever looking to swap out your ECU, take it out, send it in, that's where it is right behind your rain cowl. Alright, so I vacuumed up the debris. I even wound up cleaning off the clipping surface where the new rain cowl is going. And yes, I know you guys are noticing that I have a nice clean wiper motor assembly. Don't ask me about it. It pissed me off. Take off these bolts. So now, there you go. It looks like there's the rain catch, or the rain catch and distributor away from the air filter. So now we're going to line this puppy up. That VIN number window is such crap. Okay. And then I'm just gonna drop it right over the arms. So make sure I'm following the contours. Okay. Just gonna slide it in there. Boom, that drops there. Come back right here. Make sure we're bringing it down. Boom. So now, got this side is going underneath. And then you're gonna kind of just lift and push this into place, and you'll feel it like kind of, not like really click, but like it's like a slight pop into place. And that'll go all the way across. All the way across the bottom of the windshield. And again, you shouldn't be really fighting with it. You shouldn't be forcing it into place. It should just kind of get in there, because if you start fighting with it too much, that's when you potentially break the windshield. All right, and you might have to do it a couple times to get it lined up correctly, because you want it to sit flush at the bottom of the windshield. Okay, so I got it in place. So what I found was the easiest way to get it in there was to get everything set in situation and pre-aligned, and then grab this and easily pull this down and then push it back up. So kind of like massaging it into place. Once you have your air filter tray guard in place, once that in place, you can get everything else in situation and just squeeze and just kind of push it back up into that lower slot. So now the only thing left to do is in reverse, put your arms back in, put your wiper arms back on with the 13mm nuts, and about hand tight with like another quarter to half turn, not too hard because then you'll break your windshield, and then that's it, you're good to go. Wrench Daily.